Alright, for this question, we are asked to simplify this complicated fraction over here. Okay, this question, can you see that the steps is actually very short, but it is not a simple question. Okay, first, I will write down the question first. Okay, the next step, I actually want to factorize 2 to the power of x minus 2 on the numerator and 2 to the power of x minus 1 on the denominator. Okay, some of you might be lost at this particular step. Okay, before we move on any further, I want you to look at this particular example first. Alright, so let's think about this. Okay, so if I replace my 2 to the power of x to be x to the power of 100, so in this case 2 to the power of x minus 2 it will be x to the power of 98. So again 2 to the power of x will be x to the power of 100. 2 to the power of x minus 1 is x to the power of 99. So when we are asked to simplify this, okay, we can actually factorize out x to the power of 98 from the numerator and x to the power of 99 from the denominator over here. Okay, so can you see that when I factorize out x to the power of 98, because initially I have x to the power of 100 inside, now I left with an x squared. Alright, so as for the denominator, when I factorize out x to the power of 99, initially when I have x to the power of 100, it becomes just x, and here I'm left with a negative 1 because I bring out x to the power of 99. So I do exactly this thing on this step. Alright, I hope that you can spend some time to think about these two examples to really understand what am I doing here. Okay, so can you see that when I have x to the power of 98 divided by x to the power of 99, I can cancel all my 98x over here and left with a single x at the bottom. So likewise, think about it. 2 to the power of x minus 2 and 2 to the power of x minus 1. 2 to the power of x minus 2 is actually a smaller number compared to 2 to the power of x minus 1. So when I cancel all my 2 over here, I left with only a single 2 at my denominator. Alright, so we simplify the numerator. 2 squared is actually 4, 3 times 4 is actually 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2. So 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4.